Hi, welcome to your own personal workshop on how you can win your career. Now, please, before we start off, get a notebook, get a pen, and start making notes. This will be really, really useful, and I highly encourage you, please note down anything that comes into your mind. Comment as well. I will reply back to you. So let's start winning in our career. Now, first and foremost, what all things we'll be actually going over? We'll go over like why is it that in is the only way out. We'll go over strong career affirmations, unbreakable self-belief, a lot of action. Why action is important. Why do you fail? What are your personal limiting beliefs? This is the most important. If you can get this out of this presentation, that's all you need to know. Then professional connections, why does it matter? And questions. Okay, so let's get started. Do you see this person over here? Now this person is actually climbing a coconut tree, and coconut trees are massive, they're really long. And he has climbed it with his bare feet, and he is actually harvesting coconuts over here. This is not an easy job. He can actually fall, but his fear of falling is much lesser than his need or his determination to get that coconut. You need to have the same determination. Your fear of failing, your fear of rejection needs to be way lesser than your determination to actually win and get that job. Your determination to prove how beautiful you are to yourself, to prove how capable you are to yourself. And that you can do only with action after overcoming fear. Every professional that you have met in your life, everybody has fear. Even me, just before I started this presentation, I was like, let me make sure everything is set. Let me make sure that I'm able to present in the right way so that it is communicated to my audience. Everybody has different things, but it is when you overcome, start with imperfection, that is when you win. So if you can see, you are that mountain, it is not outside. We have that heard so many times, faith can move mountains. Your belief system can move mountains. Many times we think there's a physical mountain and we are going to push and make it move, but that's not the case. What exactly it means is your belief system, that is the mountain, and that is what we can move. So your limiting beliefs, your crippling beliefs that I cannot do this or I'm going to fail, that is what needs movement. That is what needs replacement. And only you can do it by taking action, using the right resources, having a coach, having a counselor, having amazing professional network. And we'll see a few more things. And this is the determination that you need. That having that firm belief, no matter how the market is, no matter if you just moved places, no matter if you took decisions which were not in the right path for you in the past, no matter what you did, know for sure that there is one job on this earth which is yours. For example, you're planning to relocate to a different place. You know that, okay, there is one job over there, that is mine. Having that firm belief will definitely give you a job. I have worked in 3 different countries. I have changed industries a lot. I've been in academic research, doing scientific research in different therapeutics. Then I've been in clinical research, again working on different therapeutics like oncology, gastrointestinal diseases, and I also do work in the mental health field, and I am also a coach. Like every time that I changed countries, cities, and also changing domains, I had this faith that there is a job that is there for me. My talents are going to be enough for that organization, that space, and the manager is exactly looking for a person who can fulfill, which is me. So I am a perfect fit at an amazing job, at a great location, with an amazing team, and I'll be enormously paid. Those are the kind of powerful beliefs and affirmations and self-talk that you need within yourself. Unless you have that firm belief, unless you have that self-talk which is so empowering, you will keep on failing. It is your attitude which actually gets you a job. Now, few more things. do every action such that God or nature has no option but to give it to you. What do I mean over here? Take so much action, like knock every door, move every rock, overcome every single obstacle, such that nature, God, even that particular person to whom you're contacting to get the job has no option. That person has no other option but to actually give you a job. When you start putting efforts, even God, nature starts supporting you immensely. But it's you who needs to take those actions. Let it be as imperfect as raw stumble upon. It's okay. But you taking action is more important. And you can do it. You just have to do it. Don't think. And most practical, connect, apply, speak, voice, and LinkedIn. So apart from the mindset, I'll be telling you about some practical things, how you can actually improve your career. So connection, very, very important. We are not solo people. We live in a beautiful community. And if not for us, it's not going to happen. Now, this is temporary. You see these elephants going through a deserted area. They're actually going in search of water. Same like you are actually applying for jobs or you're in transition of career and it looks so deserted, but you will find the water. And how do these elephants actually succeed? They succeed because of their mindset, because of the company of other learned, wise elephants, and their sheer determination. You can see there's also a calf. There are calves here, but the elephants go together in a group and they know that they will eventually reach water. The elders in their group actually know where is the source of water, and they have this amazing memory that they can actually go find it. And even if they do not find that location, some of the elders have understanding of where they will stomp their feet and see where there is hidden water underground. And then they are able to dig up and find water. So use hundreds of resources to get what you want. So you may feel like you're in a desert because you're failing, but if you keep moving forward, if you keep taking your steps, you will actually reach there. So some of the common ways in which we humans fail in our career, what are we thinking? If we just give up in our mind, we will never have the dream job. If the elephants give up in their mind, they will never reach water and they'll die. But in nature, Mother Nature is so cruel. If you give up here, you will definitely die. Mother Nature is not going to come and help you. You have to help yourself. You have to move yourself. So you talking crap to yourself is not going to help. You have to go and nudge and do things. Not enough action. Well, if you don't walk, if you don't search, you're not going to get it. Take action, take action, take action. Losing hope and quitting. Yes, if you don't take action, you quit. Of course, you're not going to go anywhere. So, and fourth, depending on others. Well, I've asked you to connect, speak to your more experienced people, but at the same time, relying solely on one way to get it is also a sure way of failure, because you're not knocking 100 million doors which are still there. And sometimes the only source that you're relying on, what if that ends? What if that person moves? What if that person actually decides that I can no longer help? Will you quit at that time? So it's not like you're fully dependent on somebody or something forever. You have 100 sources and you pick and choose anytime and every time. Now let's move to the next. Okay, now this is your time. I really want you to comment down what is your limiting belief, because this is important. You will have a limiting belief which is stopping you from getting your best job, and you really need to introspect and write it. Write it in your notebook, write it in the comment section, and I'll reply back how you can replace the limiting belief. Some of the common ones are, I will never get a job. I'm trying and trying, but it's not happening. This is the most common one which I hear. I'm trying and trying, it's not happening. What are you actually talking? No matter how much I try, I'll never get a job. That's so detrimental. Instead think, I am working towards it. I'm not getting at the moment, but I know there's a job out there for me. And I'm improvising, I'm taking action, I have the right people, I have the right resources. I know I'll be guided to the right job and I'll take action for it. Speak encouragingly. Like you're playing a game of football, and even if there is this external booing that's going on, but internally, if you're not booing and you're encouraging yourself, you'll score the goal. But internally, if you're booing yourself, you're discouraging yourself, you will not play well. It's the same way. You need to encourage yourself here, even if outside there's a lot of discouragement. So please comment below, like, what are your limiting beliefs? This is very crucial. If you crack this open, you will win. Professional connections. I want you to be like a herd of elephants. Look over here. There are young ones and there are elders. So people who have more experience, people who have been in the field much longer than you, people who have failed more than you, people who have failed and got up, people who are in the same stride as you. Connect with them, because each person has a lesson to share. Even if there's only one piece, one thought process that you can get out of it, it's good. It's good enough. And even if you get something harsh, it is still good enough, because you learn something. You know how you can be in future, how not to be in future, and you will become a role model for somebody else. So take action and do that. One of the best ways is actually LinkedIn, if you're looking for professional connections. And how do you reach out? You have to be open to telling them why. So send a personalized invitation to them saying that I am so-and-so and I'm looking for a transitioning in this particular sector, and I would love to connect with you and I would love to understand your journey and your experience. So try to connect and understand and learn from them. And if you win their heart, they themselves can say, I can refer you, I can help you. So build a valid and solid connection first. Talk to your colleagues, talk to your former colleagues, talk to your professors, talk to your seniors, talk to people who are associated with that, because that's going to actually help you so much more. Because these real connections will actually help you propel so much faster and not struggling as you might be right now. Now, there are many career platforms actually. So you need to find out your career platforms. There are conferences that are held. Check who organizes those conferences. Attend such conferences. Try, if there are authors, try to connect with those authors. See different universities, like, are there any connections you can build by visiting them? See what you can do from your end and knock every single door. You succeed much faster with the right resources and people. You blindly applying and trying to find a job versus you connecting with the people. Connecting with the people will always win, and you'll get the job much faster and, in fact, the right job. So connect with your valid resources. Be always like this herd of elephants. That's going to help you so much. Now, in a live workshop, I would be discussing what are your questions, what are your burning hurdles, why are you stuck like this baby elephant? But this is a YouTube video, so I want you to really use the comment section and write it out there. I will look at it and I will respond, and I really want to help you. And if you want even more personalized, then book a free coaching session with me. Go into Instagram at Niharika Rajnala, message me and ask me for a session, and I would love to help you. And you please drop in a comment. And before we go, I want you to be like a successful herd of elephants, succeeding beautifully in your life. I want you to imagine you are standing in front of sea, an ocean. Would you stand with just a bowl with a hole in it, a big tumbler, or a big vessel? Or will you stand with a pipeline such that the water keeps gushing to your home always? What I mean to say is, it's your mindset. What you believe you deserve, you ultimately deserve. So if you feel you deserve a fantastic job, Nothing in the world can stop you. So it is you who has set the parameters, and it's only you who can break it. So with this, I wish you the best of luck, and please message me on Instagram at Niharika Rajnala for a free coaching session. Take care and thank you. Bye.